Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 1014 Louisa Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, half a double, and I'm going to take you through and absolutely blow your hair back. But make sure you stick around after we do the walkthrough, because I'm going to make sure to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting the tour outside today because I love showing off the beautiful neighborhoods. I also want to showcase that there is a set of steps to get up to the main level and then just a few more steps to get up here. And also, we are trying to drink in the beautiful exterior of this home. So when we come up here, you have a really fantastic porch area. You can see there's a chair out here already, but you can obviously also see that you can fit some more furniture to enjoy the beautiful view here. Now, when we come inside, I mean, come on. Look at these gorgeous floors. Look at how beautiful this woodwork is. And I love how expansive these areas are. This gives you a lot of room to set these up however you'd like. I would certainly call this a living room and that a dining room. You can see that they have the light fixture all ready for your dining room table and chairs. But when we come into the kitchen, look at this adorable little breakfast nook area. You could do like a little booth seating in here, or if you wanted extra storage, if this wasn't enough counter space, you could do an additional prep station or maybe a high table that you could use for prep and eating. There's a lot of options here. You also have a ton of cabinets. It is only an L-shaped bank, but the addition of those extra little cabinets at the top, chef's kiss. Stainless steel appliances. I love that everything matches. You also have this massively long and deep closet here. And then we've got these old school wooden bifold style doors that are accordion doors that, you know, you can close things off so you don't have to look at it if you don't want to. And then we are right out here in this little mud room here. You see there's some hooks and things like that. And I'm just going to take a peek out here into the backyard. Now you do get access to the garage, and that does have power. That's access through your power box in the basement. Now let's keep on going here. We are going to take a little trip down to the basement here. So this is nice and well lit. Also, I love this shelf here. When I was growing up, we had one in our basement way, and it's a really great place to put like canned goods, cleaning supplies, things like that that you don't use all the time, but you need easy access to. Now we're gonna come right on down here. Look at this basement. It is not finished, but it's a really nice basement. There's a lot of space down here. I gotta be honest, I have a little home gym set up at home. I'd do this in the basement all day. It's nice and open. You have some lighting and things like that. There's a light fixture right there that I don't have on. And then you also have your washer and dryer connections there, as well as your panel box. Now let's go upstairs because we have so much more to see. So coming back through here, let's just drink in these beautiful spaces as we pass through. And we are going to take it upstairs. Now, I love that there are all kinds of doors. This will help you control your heating cost. Let me turn this on here. So like you can shut this off here, kind of trap heat up here, trap your heat downstairs. We are going to come right into the bathroom. Look how cute this bathroom is. Subway tile, original pink tile. Don't hate the pink. This can go with a lot of different things. And then, small but mighty, and you have a great little linen closet here as well. Now, we're gonna come into the first bedroom here. This is on the smaller sides, but you could certainly do like a full, maybe a queen, depending on your personal preference in here. And then you have a closet with a hang bar and a shelf. Also, old school tie rack. I have no idea what this is, but is that not just the cutest thing ever? And then another thing that I love here, aside from that brand new LED light, flush mount by the way, is you have a cute little balcony here for the person that uses this room that you can certainly put maybe just like a little bistro set or just like a chair or so out here that overlooks the backyard. And look at this. This backyard is super duper private and not even by a fence, just by some nice trees and foliage. And it really adds a little extra privacy for you. Now let's go into the middle bedroom. This is slightly bigger. You could definitely do a queen size bed in here for sure. And then you have your closet here with hang bar, and there's shelves at either end, and there's hooks in the back. We're gonna go into the master bedroom. This has, I apologize here, there we go. This has a beautiful ceiling fan. I love how modern that is. Enough space to certainly put a king size bed in here if you like. And then this has the largest closet. So it's set up the same way with a hang bar and the two shelves at the end, but it is slightly larger than the other ones. And then the very last space here is another area that you can use for storage, and that would be the attic. Nice and wide entryway to come up the stairs. I mean, is this not just like cottagey and cute? It is not scary, it is not disgusting, and you can use this for a lot of storage. If you tell me that you are not shocked and amazed, clutching your pearls and having your hair just blown completely off your head, I don't know if I'd believe you, because this place is pretty amazing, right? So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, we kind of love that. So give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because y'all, I am anxious to help you make this your home.